Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn about the application of angle of elevation and depression in trigonometry. This is your lesson 3 from 20th to 24th April. This topic is in chapter 9 from syllabus D3 book. It is on page 265. Methodology. The methodology will be audio aids, visual aids, diagram, activity, educational videos, and finally the home assignment. The objectives of today's lesson will be define angle of elevation and depression, find the unknown length of side of right angled triangle, find unknown angle of a right angled triangle, solve problems related to angle of elevation and depression. In the previous lesson, we have learnt about how to solve right-angled triangles. And we also know that for any right-angled triangle, sin A is the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse, cos A is the ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent A is the ratio of opposite over adjacent. We can also apply Pythagoras theorem on the right angle triangle for finding the length of unknown side. That is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. What is an angle of elevation and depression? Dear students, see your diagram. On the left side of your screen, a person is standing at position A. BC represents a wall. When a person looks at the top of the wall at B, the angle between the horizontal line AD and the line of sight AB, that is angle BAD, is called the angle of elevation. Now angle of depression. When a person looks at the bottom of the wall at C, the angle between the horizontal line AD and the line of sight AC, that is angle CAD, is called the angle of depression. Dear students, let us take a question now. The angle of elevation of the top of an office tower of height 43 meter from a point on level ground is 34 degree. Find the distance of the point on the ground from the foot of the tower. Yeah. Now in your diagram, 43 meter represents the height of the tower and 34 degree is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a certain point. In order to find out the distance of the foot of the point from the base of the tower, we need to apply the tangent rule. We know that tangent theta is the ratio of perpendicular over base. So tangent 34 will become 43 is the ratio of 43 over base that is unknown to us. Let us suppose it x. So in short, tangent 34 will become 43 over x. And by simplifying, we will get the value of x, that is 63.8 to 3 significant figures. This will be the distance of the point on the ground from the foot of the office tower is 63.8 meter. Dear students, let us take another question. A lighthouse TL has a height of 50 meter. The angles of elevation of the top of the lighthouse T from both A and board B are 48 degree and 38 degree respectively. Find the distance between boards A and B. In the diagram, TL represents the height of the lighthouse 50 meter. Angle at A will be 48 degree. Angle at B will be 38 degree. Now applying simple trigonometric ratio on it, we know that tangent 48 will be 50 over AL. And from this equation, we will get the value of AL, that is 45.02. Again, applying the trigonometric ratio, tangent 38 will be equals to 50 over BL. And from here we will get the value of BL, that will be 64.0. Now the distance between boards A and B will be 64 minus 45, that is 19 meter. It's summary now. What is angle of elevation and depression? What are the basic simple trigonometric ratios? That is, sin A is the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse, cos A is the ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent A is the ratio of opposite over adjacent. Dear students, don't forget to watch a video. Finally, this is your home assignment. Solve exercise 9A, question 1 to 12 from syllabus D3 book.